So, ako ay nagbabalik para ibahagi ulit ang mga kaganapan sa ating small world. Yeah! Let's go!
Sabay. Ato pa. May saawan ba? Iatras mo ba?
May sabay. Dagdagam. Di nga.
So, ayun po, noong June 14, 2024, ng after lunch is nag-aya akong maglaro. And then, may pumunta si Top 7, si Puma, tapos si Jeps. Tapos, may in-invite silang isa. Yun. And then, nanalo yung in-invite ni Puma. Kaya, nagkaroon ng 100 plus win si Puma that day. Yan. Nice. And before pala niya nakuha yung 100 plus Winnie, nanalo pa siya ng isang game before na-activate yung invitational game na bonus. So, that day may nag-gain siyang 101 Winnie. And then, yun lang. So, update ng June 14, 5:38 PM, nadagdagan yung ating mga partisipante sa ating small world na si Sam. Nice. Good luck. So, ang susunod naman is hunting. May bisita kami this day and then trinay ko siyang invite sa ating small world. And then, nakapasok siya. Nice.
Joy for heart. Lord, we thank you for welcoming us to this
TNT. Paano dati
Jai.
TNT?
So, in-invite ko yung visitor namin maglaro and then, surprisingly, ang bilis niyang mag-adopt. And then, naka 7 win siya kaagad. Nice. At tumagal yung game namin hanggang June 15 ng madaling araw. Yay! So, update ng June 15, 1:15 AM ng umaga. Naidagdag sa ating small world si Go. Ayun. Fightin!
Ay, Christian.
Video man. Aga ka ni Joy. Bubo niya ako. Bakit? Video lang.
Hello, hi, guys.
So, yung susunod na eksena is regular game lang siya. Yeah.
Thailand day. Ano ka na ba? Anjay bukan. Boom.
So, naglaro kami ni Bonggi, Puma, and then si Yep. And then, the whole session ng game is si Yep lang yung nagkaroon ng Winnie. Which is 2. Plus 2 win siya that time. Nice. So, update. Plus 2 Winnie si Yep. This day. Nice. So, what this day again? May invitational again. Invitational game again na naganap. So, may in-invite si Yep. And then, he succeeded sa may bonus plus 100 win siya at that time. Kasi, nanalo yung in-invite niya. Nice. And dahil nanalo yung in-invite niya, na-activate na yung rule number 3, which is plus 20 per winnie na yung game onwards. So, ayun. And then, na-take advantage nila yung rule number 3. Nice. So, nanalo si Yep ng 4 na beses. Kaya may 80 win siya. And then, nanalo din si Django ng 1 beses. Kaya may plus 20 win siya. Nice. And si Django pala yung in-invite na-invite ni Yep. Welcome to our small world. And update for this day, ay dagdag si Django sa ating small world. Go fight! Go fight!
Pagyanan na dyan.
Nag-absenta ko, nag-kilat.